Welcome everybody. In this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to graft garter stitch. The front piece is the right side and the back piece is the wrong side. This is a complementary video for the rabbit romper that I've done for the doll or any toy. So I usually graft with the yarn coming out of the bag. And in order to work this, you have to measure off 3 times the length of the live stitches. So insert the needle as to knit, and then insert the needle in the second stitch as to purl. And the same I'm doing with the second stitch. Insert the needle as to knit and slip it off the needle, and then I insert the needle as to purl and leave it. Basically that's it. That's what you're going to repeat. I insert the needle as to knit and slip it off the needle. Now I insert in the second stitch. Insert the needle as to purl and leave it. Again, we're going to do the same things over and over. I insert the needle as to knit and slip it off the needle, and then I insert the needle as to purl and leave it. Please don't forget to tension your yarn appropriately. So just continue working till the end. Insert the needle as to knit and slip it off the needle, and insert the needle as to purl and leave it. Knit off front stitch, then purl on front stitch, knit off back stitch and purl on back stitch. Knit off purl first stitch of the front needle, purl, and again insert the needle as to knit, and you can do it simultaneously as I'm doing it, but pay attention to the working yarn. Sometimes it is tricky and you can get lost a little bit, like I did now. Yeah, okay, you see. So that's why I prefer to slip the first and then only purl the next one. Insert the needle as to knit and slip it off the needle, and insert the needle as to purl and leave it. Now look, this is a seamless join and I really like it so much. You can see from the wrong sides it's invisible as well. I do really like to use it for hoods and cowls and even hats. Thanks for watching.